my warm salutation to everyone present here. Today, I'm going to present my views and suggestions about what we can do to ensure timely access to justice through legal education. But before starting my presentation, I would like to request you all to think a minute that what we do when we face any problem. Do we blame others or try to think or find out our own mistake? Most of the time, we blame others because this is the human nature. And this is the same thing we are doing now when we are facing challenges in ensuring timely access to justice. We are blaming others that there is lack of infrastructure, shortage of judicial officers, etc. But what we are not focusing on is our role. So today, through my presentation, I want to attract all your attention on this point. Guys, we all know that in Indian independence movement, most of leaders were lawyers. They organized and led legal awareness campaign to educate people about their right and principles of justice. And we can say that this is the result of legal education and commitment of legal community towards social justice that today India is a sovereign, democratic republic, and we, the people of India, enacted, adopted, and gave to ourselves this Constitution of India. Guys, we all know that with the lapse of time, value diminishes of most of the things, except few things like gold, silver, etc. So, in my opinion, justice, if not delivered within a justified or reasonable time, it is injustice or no justice. This is why we must try to ensure timely justice. We should try to ensure timely access to justice. There are so many reasons, as discussed by our honorable judges in conference and judgments, and National Judicial Data Grid also mentions 15 reasons. But today in my presentation, I want to focus on only those reasons, those delays which is caused by legal professionals or by the conduct of litigants. What is happening nowadays? Some lawyers, due to lack of professional ethics, contribute to overburdened cases through various factors such as excessive litigation tactics, frequent adjournments, unnecessary delays, and filing meritless claims. And this is being frequently due to lack of legal awareness in litigants. There is decline in, you can say, professionalism in legal profession. Nowadays, people are losing faith in legal practitioners due to increasing corruption within legal profession. So, what's the duty of law schools? Now, it's the duty of law school to nurture a sense of social responsibility in future lawyers so that they will not only learn that how to think in legal terms, they will learn how to behave as a legal professionals so that they can maintain professionalism and public confidence in this profession. In this regard, I have few suggestions.
Kamna, you have 5 minutes. Please conclude and give your suggestion regarding your topic.
Yeah, I'm coming to the point. Yes, sir. Because for ensuring timely access to justice, an independent judiciary is not enough. It must be supported by independent, honest, dedicated, energetic, and competent legal professionals. So there are some steps which can be taken by law schools. My first suggestion is about incorporation of ethical consideration and professional responsibility. What I'm focusing here, that law school is not teaching about accountability towards justice. So, law school must teach accountability towards justice with do's and don'ts. And they must teach it with special emphasis that what kind of practices are unethical and must not be done in any circumstances. And they must infuse in law students sense of responsibility for securing social justice. And this should be done with the feeling of patriotism, seeing legal profession as a public service. And what I have observed, that we are teaching ethics as a separate single subject, which in my opinion is a wrong practice. It should be taught in integration with legal theories so that they can interconnect it and understand the ethical consideration in the legal profession. There should be open and interactive discussions on ethical issues, and it should be taught by legal professionals. Those legal professionals who can be a role model. And it should be taught by clinical and discussion method. And my next suggestion is about legal awareness, that how we can promote it. Our young law students can organize legal awareness campaigns, and as our leaders did, we can organize legal awareness campaigns and teach our litigants about their rights and principles of justice, so that they can also file cases with ethical consideration. There are many, you can say, infructuous cases. My next suggestion is about free legal aid clinic. We have already free legal aid clinic here also, but what I am focusing here is that all the students must be engaged in this. We should engage all our students. The last suggestion is about promotion of ADR mechanism. And it should be taught here by clinical method, not by, you can say, generally we are providing lecture in this subject. So we should use clinical method and organize special and medical just a minute. Okay, organize competitions and teach practical skills about it. And the last suggestion is not my own. I'm just quoting it here. It is the suggestion of Chief Justice of India's Ranjan Gogoi that Lok Adalat can be organized in law schools with the help of staff and students of the legal service clinic. So in the last, I'm concluding by just saying that we should try to think and observe what is the difficulty, what is the problem from our side too. And we should make sure that justice is provided, not only ensured, but it should be timely provided. Okay. Because justice should not only be done, it should be seen to be done. So with these words, I am concluding my presentation here and thanking you all for your time and the team for providing me this opportunity. Thank you.